It's almost happy hour. Oh no.
So, speaking of insurance,
We were? Oh, we're doing the show. I thought we were just sitting here together.
no,
Okay.
we're gonna do insurance talk.
All right.
Okay. So this is episode 711. Get it? A lot of people have car accidents.
Like how we had an accident.
You can do whatever you like. Where are we going?
I don't know. You said that you needed to run some errands.
You get it? Run some errands?
We're gonna run some errands with Aaron.
Blah, 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 blah.
We're gonna back this Japanese princess up. Why?
Look what I can do.
No.
I can text and you can't.
That's a lie.
Hashtag looking great.
You are a senior citizen in my care.
Senior?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Simon. Muy senior.
We're.
I'm spinning! Ah!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh! What type of coverage do you have?
You know what? I don't know. I need to talk to my insurance agent.
Ah! My neck! I'm calling JG Wentworth. I need my money now! That's the last time I get in a car
sorry.
with you. I'm still waiting for my payout and my medical recovery.
Didn't you call
JG Wentworth. JG Wentworth, I still haven't received my money. And I got medical bills coming in from the hospital, from the emergency room, from my MRI, my PRI, whatever they did to me at the emergency room to make sure.
Did they do a CAT scan to see what's going on in your brain?
You know how much a CAT scan costs?
I really don't.
It costs approximately about $3,000.
Then what will these people do
That's a lot of scanning for a
in
cat.
case somebody gets into an accident and medical needs to be paid out?
Well, if you have auto insurance, which most of us do because we drive vehicles and we're required to have insurance in the state of
If you
Arizona.
drive a vehicle, you need car insurance.
And most people, unfortunately, have El Básico,
Ugh.
153010, which we talked about in a previous episode. But we didn't really go into detail about medical payments.
Right.
Now, there's an option to add medical payments to your insurance, which can start off as low as $5,000. I think you can go up to maybe like $25,000. It depends on the insurance companies. What that medical payment does is what?
Okay, this is where people get confused. Bodily injury and then med pay.
Okay. Bodily injury is if I hit somebody and I'm at fault.
Right.
My basic coverages should cover 15, 30, 10, 15,000 per person that I hit, up to a maximum of 30,000. So if there's 3 people in that car, and they each have $20,000 worth of medical payments, that's $60,000. My insurance will only pay $30,000. I have to pay the other $30,000.
Right.
That's if I'm at fault and I hit you.
Yeah, that's right.
Diana's gonna have a little car. I want the truck. Okay, so if I hit you and you and your passengers go to the hospital, my insurance, if I have the basic, will pay a maximum of $30,000. Now, if I hit you, do I have medical payments?
If you have that endorsement on your auto policy, it'll cover it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's what I was talking about, the $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $15,000, whatever I want to add, it's going to be an additional cost on my insurance, correct?
Right.
But I'll have some medical reimbursement, which I can use for deductibles, or I can use for actually paying the doctor for me and my passengers, whether I'm at fault or not.
Right.
Okay, so either way I can use the medical payments.
You can use it, yeah.
Now, Diana, what's uninsured, underinsured?
Uninsured is for people who don't have insurance and they're at 100% at fault. They cause an accident. They end up injuring you. If you have that endorsement under your policy, it'll cover
Okay. Now
your medical payment.
Now, in Arizona, it's optional. It's not mandatory for you to have uninsured,
Yeah.
underinsured.
In some states, it is mandatory for you to have it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Well, I'm going to stick with Arizona. Like I said, it's not mandatory, but it's highly recommended, even by the state, for you to have this endorsement on your policy. Uninsured, underinsured means that if I hit you, you can use medical payments if you have medical.
Right.
You're going to use my insurance to help pay for your medical payments. But if my insurance is not enough, then the underinsured would kick in
That's
for the
where it would
medical
kick in.
payments, right?
That's correct.
For you and your passengers.
Yeah.
Now, if I hit you and I have no insurance, I don't even have a bicycle, I'm driving around, breaking the law without insurance. If I'm at fault and I hurt you and you went to the hospital, that would be the uninsured coverage,
That would be uninsured.
which will help pay for what?
For bodily injuries for whoever was in the vehicle.
Which is basically medical, but not medical payments, right?
Right.
It's for the medical coverage of you and the passengers in your vehicle when somebody else hits you that doesn't have insurance.
Right.
Will uninsured, underinsured pay for your vehicle?
No. That's if you have for property damage, but in most states they don't have it or they don't offer it.
What?
The property damage.
Under uninsured, underinsured.
Yeah, under
and in
uninsured,
Arizona,
underinsured.
property damage is not included in
It's
uninsured,
not.
underinsured. Okay? So it's completely separate. A lot of people think that the uninsured, underinsured is going to fix their car. In Arizona, that doesn't apply. It's just for
Right.
medical. Guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week. I love insurance talk. You should too.
Okay.